afternoon, guys. I'm just sharing the live. Hello. Hi, good afternoon. Welcome to my live selling. So we're doing simultaneously with Facebook and whatnot. Okay guys, hold on because we're doing both whatnot and Facebook at the same time. This is my first time, so just bear with me. Okay. Wala. Okay. Okay, we're going to start. Okay, we're going to start first with the Chanels. Okay, how much BB Sling? Which one? Google Lux. Which ones? I have lots of Burberry here. Okay, so first we're going to start with Chanel. Okay, so this is Caviar Chanel. This is it's very clean inside. Only handbag. This is a handbag. It is gold chain. And there is a dust bag included. And the best thing is, there is an authenticity card. And this is the serial number. You can see the serial number. There is 2 pockets inside. And you can see this is made in France. Made in France. The hardware is gold. You can see the bottom. It's clean. And the price is 2,800. But for today, I was gonna sell it to 2,380. 2,380 for the Chanel Caviar. It's a shoulder bag. Okay. Next. Okay, it's on the bottom. Oh, okay, this small one. Is this the one? The Burberry? Okay. So this one. This is a Burberry London Blue Label. Okay, Burberry London Blue Label. You can see inside it's clean. There's a pocket here. Burberry. And this is 549. This is 549. $549. So our mode of payment. So on Whatnot, you know what, we have to pay it on Whatnot. But for the viewers who wants to buy on Facebook, you can message me. And a mode of payment on Facebook is all major credit cards. All major credit cards, Afterpay, 4 payments without interest, and also 6 months on PayPal. Okay, this is Burberry. This is 549 for Burberry. Okay. This one should have. Next, I have this one, Chanel Caviar tote bag. Okay, this is Chanel Caviar tote bag. Can you see on the shop? So that we're gonna come out. This is Chanel Caviar tote bag. Hardware, gold. packet here. Dust bag is included. And you can see here, it's clean, smells good. The authenticity card, no, there is no authenticity card, but you have the hologram is here. Hologram is intact. Can you go on the shop? How come the items is gone? So okay, add. Okay. Can you copy Kyle here? Hold on, guys. Okay, here. Because it didn't show my product, guys. Okay. This one. It should be under all the shop. Add to show. Can you add more, Kyle? Add everything. Hold on. We're adding all the product. Hold on, we're adding all the product. Okay, so open the show. Now it's on the shop. Buy now. Okay, look for this one. Okay, so we're here right now. Okay, so here, this is Caviar Chanel. It's a tote bag. Rank A. Caviar Chanel tote bag, rank A. No rubs. Authenticity is intact. Hardware is gold. No tarnish. Okay, we're going to go on sale for this one. So right now, this is 2,500, and we're going to do flash sale. Flash sale start right now. Now it will be 2,250, 2,250 for this Chanel tote bag. Caviar Chanel tote bag is 2,250. 2,250. Any buyers, any takers for this Chanel? It's in a very good condition. 2,250. 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys. Next. So we have the can you look for this one, Kyle? We have another Chanel. Okay, but this one is calfskin. This is calfskin's Chanel. This is rank A. Rank A. Yeah, not yet, not yet. Okay. So this is rank A. You see the bottom. It's clean. No rubs. It is a gold hardware. There's a pocket here. Guys, watch for the flash sales because I'll give discount on this one. Do you know? Yeah. It's clean inside. You can see the logo, the name Chanel. And the second one, there is an authenticity card. Any auction on little bag? Yeah, I don't do auction. I just do discount. Okay. Because you know all my items here are pre-loved, but it is 100% authentic. These are all 100% authentic, and especially these Chanel's, I will gonna show you all the logo, the hologram, and some of my items are still with authenticity card. Okay, you can see this is made in Italy, and the hologram is intact with authenticity card. I can provide dust bag on this one. I can provide dust bag on this one. And you can wear this as a handbag. Hi, V! Ate V, kamusta na? How are you? How's Canada? Okay, and this is, you can do this one as a shoulder bag, a handbag, or a sling bag. Okay, right now, this Chanel trendy bowling bag, it's a quilted lambskin. Original price is 4,350, but I will gonna do sale. It is now, let's see, it's now 3,915. It's now 3,915 for the Chanel lambskin, rank A, 3,915. This is on sale now. 3,915 for this Chanel lambskin. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Let's see another one. I have here another Chanel. This one is another Chanel. Let's go to shop. This is with authenticity card. Authenticity card. And this is lambskin. This is Chanel lambskin. Chain is gold. With dust bag. Hologram is inside. Hologram is pattern. And let's see how much on sale for this one. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Right now, this is Oh, I cannot see the price. I cannot see the price for this one. Okay, let's pass this one. I cannot see the price. What else we have here? I have an LV bag here. LV bag. This is mono red leather Venus two-way bag. This is a two-way bag. There's a pocket here. And there's another one here. Okay, you can see inside. It's clean. It's clean inside. It's a sweat. It's a sweat inside. I think I didn't go everything. And you have a strap. That's not the one. It didn't download everything. Okay. And there's a padlock. There's a padlock for this one. This is LV. This is Louis Vuitton. Okay, this is 1,999. This is 1,999. This is 1,999. And we're going to do this for sale. Okay. 1,999. $1,999 for this Chanel. For this LV. With a dust bag. And with a strap. And we're 1,999 for the flash sale. It's now 1,799. 1,799 now for this LV cherry red Montaigne medium size. 1,799 for this LV Montaigne. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next item. Next item, let's go for the guys, for this one, we're going to do the belt. Okay, I have the belt here. It's an LV belt. LV belt. And this is size, this is size 30 inches. 30 inches for this LV belt. 30 inches for this LV belt. In a good condition. Hardware is gold. This is size 30. 30 inches for this LV belt. It's now 375. 375 for this LV belt. 375 for this LV belt. Next, we're gonna do this small items. Then I have here the Vanchetta LV strap bag. This is the Vanchetta LV strap bag. Vanchetta LV strap bag. So if you have some bags that you want a longer one, to make it longer, you can have this one. The LV strap. LV strap is now 360. LV strap 360. And also I have Hermes. I was gonna show you some Hermes scarf. Hermes scarf. Hermes scarf for 250. Hermes scarf for 250. Hermes scarf for 250. Then I have a Gucci. I have a Gucci belt here. It's with design. Gucci belt with design. It's a Gucci belt with design. And this is 550. This is 550, 40 inches. This is for 40 inches Gucci belt, 40 inches Gucci belt. This is Supreme Tiger print belt. This is 550. Then I have another Hermes. I have here Hi Rose. I have another Hermes scarf here. Hermes scarf. This is for 250. Hermes scarf for 250. It's nice, very bright. Let me show this small items. Ida, finally you're watching. Okay, I have this one. This is a strap. This is a strap. This is a LV strap. This is an LV strap. LV strap. You know, for your LV bags, do you want to be like a sporty type? Yeah. And this belt, this strap is adjustable. This strap is adjustable. And this is 359. This is 359. And okay, I will gonna do flash sale on this one. And 359 we can do now for 323. It's sale now for 323. 323 for LV strap. 323. So 323 for LV strap. Any takers for this one? So you can put this one on your LV bag to become sporty or casual. Okay, so 323. Okay. Hair bag. I have a Hermes hair bag here. Okay, this is navy blue. This is a combination of canvas and leather. Okay, and you can see inside of the Hermes hair bag, hardware is silver. Hardware is silver. And it's beige inside. Beige inside. And you have the whole set. The whole set for the hair bag for the keys. You have the whole set for the keys, for the hair bag. You know, you can separate this one. You can use two bags. This one is removable. The one inside is removable, so you can use both separately. You can use separately on this one. And there's a pocket. And over here, that's why you can remove separately. The hair bag will gonna be in two. Okay, right now, this one is 1,500. So this is a handbag and also a shoulder bag. This is Hermes hair bag. It's 1,500, but for our sale, let's see how much for the sale. I'll sell this one for 1,350. 1,350 for the hair bag with the key set inclusion, because the key set it's already expensive. The key set for the hair bag is already expensive. So this one is 1,350, 1,350 for the hair bag. 1,350 for the hair bag. And so you can review my live, and if you like something, you can message me. So letting you know, our mode of payment for the Facebook is all major credit cards, Afterpay and PayPal. There's a no interest for PayPal for 6 months, and also for Whatnot, I have own. Whatnot has their own mode of payments. Okay, this is Hermes hair bag. Okay, I have another Chanel here. This is really very, very expensive. Okay, so this is Chanel Caviar. This is Chanel Caviar. You can see this one. There's a, it's still covered. The Chanel chain here. This is rank A. No rubs. No rubs on this one. You can see it's flawless. You cannot see anything here. This is rank A. This all my items are pre-love, but mostly are rank A and B, but as in very, very good condition. Okay, so this one is, you can see here, it's Chanel, made in Italy. And oh, and the best thing here on this one, besides the hologram is intact, you have an authenticity card for this one. There is an authenticity card for this Chanel, and there's already a lot of card slots. 1, 2, 3, 4. There is 8 card slot for this one, and you have a mirror for the Chanel. And this is 4,999. But I will gonna do sale on this one. Do sale for this flawless Chanel. This is real. This is a caviar leather. This is a caviar leather. It's now, I'll sell this one for 4,249. 4,249 for this Chanel Caviar. This is 4,249. So you can use Afterpay or PayPal for this one. Okay. Any this is like pink. This is like what do you call this one? A very light pink color. Blush pink. This is like a blush pink. Okay. This is a handbag. It's like a lunch bag, but a very expensive lunch bag. And this is a shoulder bag. You can tell Erica she can pay it for how many, for installment. No interest. This is really a good investment because you can still resell it. The value of the Chanel doesn't go down. Even the vintage, it's very expensive. Okay, so this is Chanel. Hi Edith, you're off today. Yeah, this one, so you can do Afterpay or PayPal for no interest for 6 months. For this one, Chanel crossbody, it's now, I put on sale earlier for 3,000. How much, Kyle? For this one I did on sale for this one for 3,999. Yeah. Okay, we can do it again. How I want to see how much is this one for flash sale. Okay, I put it down on 4,249. 4,249 for this Chanel Caviar. 4,249 for this Chanel. Okay, so anybody interested, just grab this opportunity. I put it down already. 4,249 for this Caviar Chanel. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I'm doing live streaming on both on Facebook and whatnot. So that's why I'm doing a flash sale for this one. Okay. Yes, off. Okay, so go Shopee. You're off today. Okay. So I want to show it to you. The bag edit is still thinking. Okay. So this is on the go. You very nice. This is rank A. This is rank A on the go. This is not a usual, design of the LV because of the color. This is a combination of black and pink monogram. This is a black and pink monogram. And you can see here, there's a pocket here. The hardware is gold. And inside, it's pink inside. You can see this is rank A. It's pink inside. This is pink inside and it's flawless. It's I cannot say anything on this bag because this is rank A. This is rank A for this one, and this is 3,800 for this bag. And you can use this one like a tote bag. It's a tote bag. And you can use this one as a handbag. Okay. This one is the LV on the go. Something different for Chanel. For the LV, the color is different. Okay. It's a pink and black. And it's 3,800 right now, but I will gonna put on sale for 3,419. It's now 3,419 for this one. This is 3,419 for the flash sale for this LV bag. 3,419. So 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, if you change your mind, you can message me for this nice on-the-go Chanel. You can put a lot, it's very spacious, so you can put a lot of stuff. And the leather is still hard. I don't think this is like brand new. You cannot see any flaws on this one. Then I have another tote bag here. This is like a different kinds of Burberry. This is Burberry, but you cannot see their, you know, usually their design is, you know, the brown, but this one is different. This is a tote bag from Burberry. This is still new. This is still new from Burberry. And you have all the brand here. And there is one packet here for the Burberry. One packet inside. Actually, it's two. Two packet. One is open. And the other one is a zipper. It's a zipper one. And you can see the inside is clean. Inside is clean. And the authenticity of the Burberry is still inside. Very spacious for this one. And this tote bag is for $999. This is rank A. You can see on the end. There is no floss. There is no rub. There is no rub and there is no floss for this one. And this is $999. And I will gonna go on sale for $899. So I'll go on sale for this one for $899. $899 for the Burberry. Okay, $899 for the Burberry tote bag. This is so nice. Okay. How did you find the price for this one? Look for there. The price for this one. Next, I have, what else we have here? I have another Chanel. I have another Chanel. This is Chanel. This is Chanel Caviar. Chanel Caviar for this one. Is your Versace on flash sale? Yeah. Which Versace? Which Versace which one? Which bag? Okay. Oh, the mustard one. Okay. Will be the next one. I always put this one, show this to everybody because this is really a summer bag. It's really cute. Okay, so let's go for the Chanel. So Chanel, let's go for the Chanel. This is another Chanel tote bag. Chanel tote bag for this one. This is Caviar. This is Caviar Chanel. And and also for the Whatnot buyers, I saw lots of people already make some of the belts, the strap, their favorite. Just let me know because I already did flash sale on that one. Okay, so look for this one, Kyle. Okay, so this is Caviar. Okay, this is Caviar inside. Caviar inside. It's clean. The leather, the hardware is gold. And there is an authenticity card for this Chanel. There is an authenticity card for this Chanel. And the hologram, we have to look for the hologram. But I checked everything here. All my items have the hologram. Okay. Find this Chanel bag. Okay. The hologram is at the end. Okay. And you have the authenticity card plus the dust bag. And this one is $2,499. $2,499 for today. We're gonna go on sale for this one. This is $2,499. Okay, we're gonna do on sale for this one. This is $2,499, but I'll give it for today for $2,250. This is now $2,250 for a Chanel Caviar tote bag. $2,250 for the Chanel Caviar tote bag. Chanel Caviar tote bag for this one. Okay. Next, we have the Versace Mustard. Versace Mustard. And hardware is gold. Hardware is gold. You can see inside it's clean. It's clean, Versace. And this is styled in Italy. And this is $430. This is $430 for the Versace. $430 for this Versace. And there's chain here, gold chain. Kyle, can you see how much for the sale? Okay. Okay. Now, for flash sale, it's now $386. It's now $386 for this Versace. It's now $386 for this Versace. $386 for this Versace. And it's very nice for this one. $386 for this Versace. And okay. What else do we have? Okay. I have this one. The multicolor. Okay. Multicolor LV bag. It's really this, you know, it's hard to find a multicolor LV bag, and the price of the multicolor for all the LVs doesn't go down. Doesn't go down for this price. Okay. So this one, you can use this one as a handbag. This is very spacious. Okay, not that one. Okay. Dust bag is included. You can see inside. You can see inside, it's clean. For this one, it's clean. Did you transfer everything already? No, that's it. Yeah. Okay. See this one. This is multicolor and the strap is adjustable. The strap is adjustable. And this is a gold hardware. Gold hardware for this LV bag. And LV bag. It's nice. It's nice. This one for everyday use. It's very nice for this one. And this is 1,900 for this multicolor LV. This is Rita multicolor LV bag. This is Rita multicolor LV bag. And we're going to do a flash sale for this one. And it now, for today, it's now 1,710. It's 1,710 for this LV Rita multicolor bag. This is Rita multicolor. It's really very spacious. Actually, you can use this one for travel because you can put a lot of stuff. Okay, this is 1,710 for today. Right now, for the flash sale, 1,710. Okay. Then I have a Chanel GST here. A Chanel GST. This is patent leather. Patent leather for the Chanel GST. This is GST size, and you have a dust bag. And you can, this is very spacious. You can put a lot of stuff on the GST. Okay, so this, this one is very good deal. You have an authenticity card for this GST, patent leather Chanel, and the hologram, because it's big, I can open wide. The hologram is there, it's intact. Hologram is intact for the Chanel patent leather. Chanel patent leather. Okay, and this one is regular I have to show you because this one it's still covered with bubble pack, and the hardware is gold. The hardware there is no tarnish. You can see at the bottom there is no rubs. There is no rubs for this one. There is no rubs for this Chanel patent. No rubs. And this is 2,550 for the GST with authenticity and dust bag. 2,550. This is really a good deal. But for I will gonna do a flash sale for this one. This is 2,550. For right now, for 30 seconds, any takers for a GST Chanel patent leather with authenticity card and dust bag, it's now 2,295. It's now 2,295 for this Chanel patent leather GST bag Chanel. 2,295. 2,295 for this Chanel patent leather. 2,295. Did you get everything on the other one? I have another Chanel here. White Chanel. You can make it longer for this one. White Chanel. Gold hardware. This is made in France. with authenticity card. White Chanel with authenticity card. Okay, White Chanel with authenticity card. And you can make this one longer and shorter. Okay, for this Chanel with authenticity card. This one is Chanel 2.55 reissue bag, off-white classic flap. This is Chanel reissue bag, this is the Chanel 2.55 reissue bag of white Chanel, and this one is 2,400. This one is 2,400 for the Chanel reissue bag. And this is caviar leather with authenticity card. This is caviar leather with authenticity card. I have this bag. This is so cute. This is Christian Dior. You saw it. This is a Christian Dior bag. This is a handbag. This is a handbag Christian Dior. Handbag Christian Dior bag. It's a magnetic flap. Hi Willie. Hi Gigi. How are you, G? Okay. This is Christian Dior magnetic flap. Magnetic flap for this one. And it's very clean inside. You can see here, there is no floss. It's very clean. There is no pen mark or any watermark on this one. The leather is still in good condition. Christian Dior. This is Christian Dior. The hardware is silver. Hardware is silver. And this is 479. This is 479. And let's see how much we can sell for this one. 479. And we can now it's 431. It's now 431 for this Christian Dior handbag. Christian Dior handbag, 431. 431 for this Christian Dior handbag. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I have a Goyard here. Yellow Goyard. Hello, Gigi. Hello. This is Goyard orange in color with dust bag. Okay, with dust bag. Goyard with dust bag. It's clean inside. And there's a, the wallet here for the Goyard. Okay, Goyard for this one. Okay. This one originally is 1,800, but for today I'll put down for 1,600. 1,600 for this Goyard bag. 1,600 for this Goyard bag. 1,600 for this Goyard bag. with a dust bag. $1,800 for this Goyard. $1,800 for this Goyard bag. I have a sling bag Hermes here. This is off-white sling bag Hermes. This is Hermes sling bag. And this is like beige in color. Hardware is silver. Hardware is silver for this. Hi Marisa. For this Hermes. This is Hermes, made in Paris. And this is Good News. Hermes Good News. This is Hermes Good News. And this is a sling bag. A sling bag for this Hermes Good News. Hermes Good News for this one. Hermes Good News. A sling bag. And it's a silver hardware. Silver hardware. It's only 1,450. 1,450 for this Hermes sling bag. Hermes sling bag, 1,450. And this is, you can wear like this one. This is Hermes Good News. Hermes Good News for this one. Hermes Good News. This is white. Actually, it's like off-white. Hermes Good News. Then I have a Chanel tote bag. Chanel tote bag. It's blush. This is blush in color. This is Chanel tote bag. Blush in color. There is one packet outside. And this is Cambon. This is Chanel Cambon tote bag. Chanel Cambon tote bag. And with authenticity card for this Chanel. There is an authenticity card for this Chanel. And you can see here, this is made in Italy. It's very clean inside. Very clean inside. And you can see the hologram. The hologram is still intact. It's still intact for the hologram. And there's 3 pockets inside. 3 pockets. The hardware is silver. The hardware is silver. This is with dust bag and authenticity card. Dust bag and authenticity card. And you have a key holder for the Chanel. It's very spacious. This is a tote bag. And just a magnetic lock on top. This is Cambon. This is Chanel Cambon. This is Chanel Cambon. And this is 3,000. This is Deauville Tote Chanel bag. This is Deauville Tote Chanel bag. For this one, this is 3,000. 3,000 for this Chanel tote bag. With everything is inclusion. Okay, dust bag and authenticity card. Dust bag and authenticity card is included. I have a cute LV bag here. LV bag for this one. This is a combination of like a canvas and leather. And you can wear this one as like for party, like a pochette. Here like this one. And also a sling bag. A sling bag. The strap is adjustable. Okay, which price? Tina, which price do you want? Which price are you asking for which bag? Okay, and I have here, just let me know which bag are you asking for the price. And this is a sling bag. You can use this one as sling bag, so it's very cute. This is rank A. There is no floss for this one. There is no floss for this Chanel. So hardware is gold. Hardware is gold. Hardware is gold for this one. And there is an authenticity, there is a dust bag. And you can see here, it's LV made in France. LV made in France. All my items here are 100% authentic. It's very clean inside. It's very clean. So this one, you can wear this. This is so cute. You can wear this like this one. You can wear it like this. Or you can wear this one as a shoulder bag or sling bag. And the strap is adjustable. Strap is adjustable. This is 2,199. This is LV 2,199. This is flawless. This is rank A. And let's see how much I can give it for you guys. This is 2,199. It's now 1,979. 1,979 for this Chanel, for this LV bag. LV bag. So you can, because I'm streaming on two, so on Facebook you can pay, you can message me all major credit cards after pay, and PayPal no interest for 6 months. And for Whatnot, you can, this is flash sale for now it's 2,199. It's the flash sale was already finished. I'm streaming on both, on live, on Facebook and Whatnot at the same time. Okay, I'm streaming on both. Okay. Then I have here another multicolor. I have another multicolor bag. This one. I have another LV multicolor bag. I think this is name of this one is, yeah, I have, okay, let me just remove it so that you can see inside. I can provide dust bag for this LV bag. I can provide dust bag. So it is suede, red suede inside, red suede inside for this one. And 1, 2, there is 2 pockets. One is open and one there is a magnetic one, magnetic closure. And this is made in France. This is made in France. Actually, you can use this one like a clutch. You can use this one like a clutch, like a handbag. Handbag for this one. And the hardware is removable. The hardware is removable. The strap is removable. So you can use this one as a handbag. And you can use this one as a shoulder bag. And I will gonna provide dust bag for this one. I will gonna provide dust bag for this one. There is no watermark. Oh, there is some watermarks here. Here on this side, there is some watermarks, but the leather, the leather is still in good condition. It's white, very white. There is no pen transfer or any color transfer on the white leather. So the white leather is still in very nice condition. And you can see here, LV Paris. Okay, so this one is 2,200 for this bag. And this is multicolor Beverly. This is LV Multicolor Beverly. And for flash sale, it's now 1,799. It's now 1,799 for this multicolor Beverly. The multicolor Beverly for 1,799. You can use this one as a handbag and a shoulder bag. Handbag and shoulder bag for this one. This is 1,799. 1,799. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. I have a Christian Dior bag here. This is flawless. Okay, this is like brand new. This is Christian Dior. Christian Dior for this one. This is lambskin. This is lambskin for this one. Lambskin. For this lambskin, hardware is silver. Hardware is silver. All the letters is still in bubble wrap. The Dior letters is still in bubble wrap. And let's see inside. There's a strap and a dust bag. Strap and dust bag is included, and it's clean inside. You can still see it's still bubble wrap. It's still bubble wrap. It's clean inside. It is canvas inside. And this is 2,399. Oh, and so you can wear this one as a shoulder bag. There's a strap for this one and a handbag. A shoulder bag and a handbag for this Lady Dior blue lambskin. This is lambskin leather. Lambskin leather for this one. And this is for right now we're doing do the flash sale. Flash sale for this one. 2,399. It's now 2,159. From 2,399, it's now 2,159. 2,159 for this one. Christian Dior, it's calfskin leather. Christian Dior, it's calfskin leather. It's wide hardware. You can use as a shoulder bag. It's now 2,159. 2,159 for this one. Time's up. Okay. Very good condition. Calfskin. No scratches, nothing. This one is rank A, almost like new for this one. I have another one that's really, really nice, Christian Dior. I have this one, the Lady Dior. Hi, Chiquita, hi. Okay, I have this one, the Lady Dior. This is another jackpot for this one. This is rank A. Rank A for this Lady Dior. Hardware is silver. Hardware is silver for this one. You can see there's not even a transfer color, nothing. It's all it's like a canvas, but it's all clean. There is no rubs. There is no rubs for this one. It's clean. It's clean for this one. Even the handle. The handle, dust bag is included for this. Dust bag is included. And so it's like this inside, on top. It will gonna be like this on top. And this has a strap. This one has a strap. This one has a strap. Same color. Same texture. It's Christian Dior strap. And this one is 2,999. This one is 2,999. This one is 2,999. Yeah. So for sale, it's gonna be 2,699 for now. 2,699, 2,699. We're giving it for 2,699 for our flash sale. 2,699 for this one. This is rank A. So for my Facebook viewers, so you can do Afterpay, 4 gigs, no interest. PayPal 6 months, no interest for this one. And I accept all major credit cards. So this one is, oh, it's finished already, our flash sale. So now we're back to 2,999. To move on, okay, I'm gonna show you this one. I'm going to show you some watch. This one is TAG Heuer. This is TAG Formula 1. This is TAG Formula 1. This is for female. This is TAG Heuer Formula 1. No, that's for men's. Okay, this is TAG Heuer Formula 1. This is white ceramic. This is a combination of white ceramic and there's diamond inside. There is diamond inside for this one. Diamond inside, and this is big, so you can adjust. So you can remove some of the links on this one. So this is TAG Heuer Formula 1, white ceramic and stainless steel. And there's diamond inside. There's diamond inside. This is for ladies. And this is 1,999. This is 1,999. And we're going to do the flash sale. Flash sale for this one. It's now 1,799. 1,799 for this white enamel, white ceramic. This is white ceramic and stainless steel Formula 1. 1,799, 1,799, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And I have a male watch here. This is for men's. This is TAG Heuer. This is TAG Heuer Formula 1. This is whole set with the box and with the authenticity. This is TAG Heuer Formula 1 stainless steel watch. This is TAG Heuer Formula 1 stainless steel watch. And this is 2,200. This is 2,200. And we're going to do sale for this one. Do flash sale for this one. It's now 1,870. 1,870 for this male. Formula 1 stainless steel watch. 1,870. It's now on flash sale for 1,870. So you can use PayPal, Afterpay, and major credit cards on this one. So it's okay. Finish already for the flash sale. I have a Gucci for this one. It's not there, Kyle. I didn't do the, okay, so this is Gucci watch. This is Mother of Pearl Signoria Quartz watch. This is Mother of Pearls Gucci. This is Gucci watch with the box included. And this is 750. This is 750. This one is like a bracelet watch. See? This one is just like a bracelet watch. This is a Gucci watch. Okay, Gucci watch with the box included, whole set included, with still with the label from the store. And this is Gucci watch for 750. But for today, I will gonna drop it to 650. 650 for this Gucci watch. 650 for this Gucci watch. 650 for this Gucci watch. I have a Swarovski. I have a Swarovski chain here. Swarovski necklace. I have a Swarovski necklace here. You can see Swarovski necklace. Swarovski necklace. Swarovski necklace for this one. And this is only 150. 150 for this Swarovski necklace. 150 for this Swarovski necklace. 150 for this Swarovski necklace. And this is like pink. It's pink, you can see here. Pink for this Swarovski necklace. Okay, next I have a Goyard. I have a Goyard wallet. Goyard wallet. Goyard wallet. See, it's very nice inside. It's very clean. There is no pen mark. There's no scratches. It's yellow inside. And there's a lot, 2, 3, it's about 3, 6 card slot. 6 card slot for this Goyard. For this Goyard long wallet. This is Goyard long wallet. This is 950. 950 for this Goyard long wallet. What else I can show you guys? Oh, here. Did we show this one, guys? Huh? Done? Okay. I have another LV. I have another LV. This is a tote bag. This is rank A. There is no flaws. There's no scratches. There is no rubs on all the leather. There is no rubs. And this is... the hardware is gold. The hardware is gold. Oh, you cannot remove the hardware. Okay, the chain. This is rank A. This is rank A. There is no rubs. And this is LV Paris. This is LV Paris. That's not the one. Okay, that is LV Paris. And this is LV Monogram Palace. This is LV Monogram Palace. This is LV Monogram Palace. This LV Monogram. And you can see here. Dust bag is included. Dust bag is included for this one. And there is 2 pockets, 1 zipper at the middle. And this is 1,799. This is 1,799 for this rank A. This is rank A, 1,799. This is, you can see here, there is still, you know, like for the hook, there's a hook here, like for the chain. There's a keychain here. And this is 1,799. 1,799 for this one. 1,799 for this LV Palace. 1,799 for this LV Palace. Then, what's that one? LV Sapiano two-way. Okay. Is that the Prada? Okay. I have here Prada. This is Prada Sapiano. You can see how shiny is the leather on this Prada Sapiano. Prada, this is, there is no rubs. There is no rubs on this leather. It's a gold hardware for this one. There is no rubs. There is and there's a chain. There's a chain for this Prada Sapiano. And it's very clean inside. You can see here. One at the middle. It's very clean, and there is, okay, for the Prada Sapiano for this one, with a dust bag, and with a strap. And this one is 999. This is 999. But we're gonna do the flash sale. The flash sale we're gonna be, no, hold on. So this one, we're gonna be, okay. So it will gonna be 899 for this Prada Sapiano. 899 for this Prada Sapiano. 899 for this Prada Sapiano. So this is very good rank A for this Prada Sapiano. Prada Sapiano for this one. And 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, next we have, okay, I have here another LV. This is very, it's a red LV combi monogram. This is an LV monogram. You can see chain is still shiny. The chain is still shiny for this one. This is rank A. This is rank A. Rank A for this one. And let's open. Inside, it's clean. It's wet. It's wet inside. It's clean. And this is LV made in Paris. LV made in Paris. This is rank A. There is no floss. There is no rubs on all corners. There is no rubs on all corners. There is no rubs. There is no rubs on all corners. And this is, you can do this one as a sling bag. Okay, this is LV Victor. This is LV Victor. This is LV Victor. And this is 1,999. 1,999 for this LV Victor. And we're going to do the flash sale. Flash sale for this one. And let's see how much. It's now dropped to 1,799. 1,799 for this LV Victor. 1,799 for this LV Victor. 1,799 for this LV. In a good condition. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. We're gonna show you the last multicolor, the LV. I have 3 LVs here that is multicolor. Because I always grab the multicolor because it's hard to find. And the price doesn't go down. This is another multicolor LV. Dust bag is included. It's red inside for this one, the LV bag. And no, that's not the one. That's a different LV. And yeah. No, that's a different one. And this is, you can see it's a gold. It's a gold hardware. It's a gold hardware. Okay, this is a handbag. This is a handbag LV. This is a handbag LV. And this is Claudia. I saw it earlier. This is LV Claudia. This is LV Claudia, and this is 1,499. This is 1,499 for the multicolor LV Claudia. 1,499 for the LV multicolored Claudia. This is an LV multicolored Claudia. It's 1,499. And let's see how much if I... 1,499 for this bag. And I'll drop it now to 1,349 for the flash sale. 1,349, 1,349 for this multicolor Claudia. Multicolor Claudia for 1,349. The leather is good. There is no pen mark. There is no transfer color on the white leather. There is no transfer color on the white leather. 1,349. With dust bag. For the LV bags, I can provide dust bag. I have lots of dust bag for the LV bag. Okay, what else do you want? What else do you want, guys? Okay, do you want bum bag? I have bum bag here. Okay, I have a Celine. I have a Celine belt bag. Celine belt bag for this one. And this is in a very good condition. There is no rubs on the leather. Oh no, there's a minimal rubs here. There's a minimal rubs. And let's see how much is this one. This is Celine. This is Celine belt bag for 420. Celine belt bag for 420. Celine belt bag for 420. And I have another belt bag here, the LV belt bag. I have here the bum bag. Okay, I have here the bum bag, the LV. And one pocket outside, dust bag inside. This is made in France for the bum bag. And this is 1,050. 1,050 for this LV bum bag. You can wear this one as a body bag. Strap is adjustable, or a belt bag. LV belt bag, this is 1,050. 1,050 for this LV belt bag or body bag. I have this one. I didn't show this one yet. This is a vintage. This is a vintage Gucci with Sherry line. Vintage Gucci. The size is good. Dust bag is included. There is 3 part of this bag. 1, 2, 3. You can see here. There's 3. 1, 2, 3. It's canvas. It's really clean. You can see there is no mark, no pen marks. There is no pen marks. There is no watermarks. This is a vintage LV. This is a vintage Gucci with a Sherry line. Okay. Leather is in good condition. And this is only 620. This is 620 for the vintage Gucci. 620 for the vintage Gucci bag. 620. I have another Chanel bag. I have another Chanel bag. This is like a, what do you call this one? Like a gold. This is a gold color. And the sign is gold too. You can see here. This is Chanel made in Italy. It's clean. It's clean, this one. And you can see here. And the authenticity and the hologram is intact. The serial number is intact. The serial number is intact. And this is a Cotton Club medium neutral tote. This is a neutral tote, and this is only 1,650. Only 1,650 for the Chanel calf skin. This is Chanel calf skin, 1,650. 1,650 for this one. You can check my website on myluxurycloset.org. And also you can follow me on Facebook, Whatnot, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. So you can follow me on most social media. Okay, so this is Chanel tote bag. This is only 1,650. This is nice size. Nice size for this one. This is neutral tote bag. Neutral tote bag for this one. Chanel one. Okay. What else? Okay, I have this Prada bag. Okay, this is gunmetal chain. Gunmetal chain for this Prada white. You can see it's gunmetal, the design. And this dust bag is included. Plus, for this one, okay, it's clean inside. It's clean inside for this one. It's clean. And dust bag and authenticity for this product is included. Dust bag and authenticity included for this product. And this is 1,050. This is 1,050 for this product. 1,050 for this product. Gunmetal chain. Gunmetal chain for this product. Gunmetal chain for this product. You can see here. Can be a shoulder bag. Or you can do this one as a sling bag. As a sling bag for this one. For this product. Okay. Let me choose one more bag and we're going to end our show. We're going to end our show and let's see what we can do. What I can show you. Okay. I'm going to show you an Empreinte. This is an Empreinte LV bag. So this is a tote bag. You can use this one as a shoulder bag or a handbag. Or you can use this one as a handbag. Okay, this is LV Empreinte leather. You can see how nice the leather for the Empreinte. I love this kind of leather, the Empreinte, because the not very common. Not very common for the LV bags. This is Empreinte, not that one, Kyle. Okay, that's okay. You can just leave it that one. I'm gonna show you that bag. Okay, so this one is a tote bag. Tote bag for this one. Dust bag is included. Dust bag is included for that. It's clean inside. It's clean. And you can see this is made in France. It's clean for this bag. Okay, this is Empreinte. And this is, let's see, how much is this one? And this one is 1,500. This one is 1,500. 1,500 for the LV Empreinte. You can use this one as a shoulder bag or a tote bag. This is 1,500 with all the keys. Keys are included in this LV bag. Let me open this, guys. Okay. Okay, so you have the key for the LV and you're going to put it here. Put it here, the LV key bag, the LV key. Okay, the key is included for this one. The key is included for that one. This is 1,500. This is 1,500 for the LV Empreinte. And if you don't like the blue one, if you don't want the, this is like it's like blue-black in color. I have another color here. The color is like a mocha. Mocha color. Both are 1,500. Both are 1,500. Both has a chain. Both has a key. Like this one. This one is they put. I put it already. Okay. Both has a key lock. Okay. Both has a key lock. So if you like the blue one, navy blue, or the brown one, or the mocha one, both are 1,500. Both are 1,500 for this one. So you can check on my luxury, on Whatnot. You can go to my page, go to the shop, and you can see all my items there. You can message me for the price, and for the Facebook hygiene, for the Facebook you can pay in major credit cards. After pay, no interest for gifts, and 6 months no interest for PayPal. And please check my website, myluxurycloset.org. Follow the logo. You can see my logo on the. Make sure that you're checking the right website. Okay, and also on the Facebook, you can see my Facebook. There is a check, blue check. That it means I'm Meta verified, so you can do transaction with me. So you can message me on Facebook. And also you can follow me on my Facebook account, my Luxury Closet, on Instagram, on TikTok, on YouTube, and also on Whatnot. Okay, guys? So, review my live. So, if you want anything, you can check my website. I have lots of bags that I cannot show you everything in one time. So, you can check my website and you can message me. Okay? Just follow my link, guys. Bye. See you on Sunday. I'll do live again on Sunday. So just wait for my post, and I will gonna still posting lots of bags. Okay, guys. Thank you. Bye.